So hello guys, here I am coming with another question of the Altics certification, and this question is regarding about the school level league. So here the question is, All Valley Athletic League is a school sports league that organizes 12 different sport championship each year. They provided the data sets here and with the list of championship school and each sports in each of the year last 25 years data we have. So we have to find out which school has the won the most championship in all the sports combined over the last year. So the trick is here is the data set. Okay, so the data set is something which is quite different. So let's see the data set first. Okay, so the data set is with the two columns. Okay, one for year, so it's a total 25 years, and the champions. The champions. So this data actually is combined as a sports and the school champion name. Okay, so like 1995, the soccer sports win by St. James Prep. Okay, then football win by St. James Prep, and field hockey win by St. James Prep. So like that. So total 12 sports they organize. Okay, it's already mentioned in a question. 12 different sports. So 12 different sports, and their winner is combined in a one sale here under champions and then year. So what we have to do? So first we have to segregate all this data. Okay, and then we'll go for solution. Okay, so now here we have a data, so we use text to column. So for this champions column we have to segregate into 24 because 12 sports and 12 champion. Okay, so total 24, so we are segregated into 24 column. And then here you have to check, okay, what I'm doing here after that. So see how the data is segregated. So first sports, and then second one is winner of that sports, then again sports, and the winner of the sports here school's name, again then sports, then winner. Okay, sports winner. Okay, like that, sports winner, like that. It's total 24 column. Okay, so using select tool, what I am doing here, so I am unchecking all the sports. Okay, so I'm not taking all the sports. So because see uh, so how is data when the we segregate? So this is the sports and this is the school champion. So what I will do, so all the here list of champion here, okay, is for a sport soccer. So instead of champions 2, if I'll put soccer here, so it is a valid. Okay, for the soccer these are the winners for total 25 years. So this column I don't require. Okay, this is what I have applied here. So I have unchecked all the sports, and whoever the winner of the list of winner that particular sports, I just rename it. Okay, then soccer, then football, so all 12 call field we have in this. So finally the output will be like this: soccer, then the all the sports, and year will be the same. So we are not touching year column. Then the soccer, then football, hockey, and all the schools list. Okay, so we have a total 12 sports and their winner for 25 years. Okay, so now I'm taking record ID tool, so to create a record ID for this data set. Okay, so it will be used. Okay, so all the record ID I have taken. So we have a 25 total and the winner. Okay, so after that what I will do, so I'll make a list. Okay, so whatever this is the, you can see all the sports, so we'll put in one column, and then all the values of championship in the one column. Okay, and year wise. So I have taken I have done this one transpose. So here I am keeping as it is, and then I have selected the sports. Okay, all the sports, I have selected total 12 sports. So total 12 sports has been converted into the column and their values is here. So year wise each sports has who is the winner here is showing. Okay. So like that. So we have a total data here. So we have year and then sports and then the winner. Each sports has a one champion by the every year. Okay. So now what I am going to do here next, I will take summary. So in the summary what I have to do here, so I will take this value and then name. So I first grouping my champions data, okay, school champion, and then I'm grouping the sports, okay, then I'm taking the count of all the champions. So if I'm grouping this both, so what I will get, I will get grouping the sports and grouping the champion as well, and then how many sports that have been win. Okay, so all the count will be here. Okay, so now again I will take a summarize. So the next is what I am doing. So whatever we have a champion, so let's see. So see before, so we have all grouping champion and then sports grouping and then their count. Okay, so this champion, how many that sports has been won, so that count is given here. Okay, and then after that, so again I'm doing the summarize. So I don't need the sports now I will take the summarize the this one value and then I'll take the count, okay, in the next summary. The same thing I have summarized the all the values and then I have got the count. That means total number of sports win by all the champions. Okay, this is the counts. So now after that I will do sorting, and after that sorting and descending, so I will get the maximum number of who have won. So you can see this Glen BHS has been won maximum number of sports. Okay, so just putting in a single row, so I have just taken this one sample. Okay, so I'm just taking the first value of the row. So this is what for all value click solution. Thank you for watching.